Hi everyone. Today I'm going to guide you how you can create your own e-doc for digital copy to sign on the 1Cloud CRM for your customer. Okay, so firstly, you can go to payment. Okay, then you go to the document and contracts. Then you can go to the templates. We need to create a template first before we create any new contract. So in the future, you can reuse the document. Okay, now you can either create a new template with the text and contract directly in OneCloud CRM, or you can upload a PDF. So it is easier to upload your existing contract or agreement using PDF. So you don't need to retype and redo the formatting. So here we upload a doc. Okay. Okay, this is a document that we use for this testing. Okay, this is the authorization letter for Razorpay. Okay, so you see here are some fields that we already marked that we need to fill. So here we can select add an element and select text field, and okay, now you can replace this one. Okay, you can change the size a bit to make sure it is the same as the field. If you want, you can enlarge a bit. Okay. So you see, also we can link the fields. So this, you see, this field is company. So actually, we can link with a field. You can, if you do, if in the content you don't have this field, you can create a custom field in the content. Okay, so here you can just search the. Okay, we don't have company name in content, but we do have a business uh, or entity. I think it's the entity, register entity name. Yeah, this is our custom field. You can edit yourself. So if you link the field, next time when customer fill in the form, they will be able to the field or the data will be saved in your content as well. Yeah. So here name of the person, so we can get the field again. Name of the person, position of the company. So for the name, we can simply link with the full name. Position within the company. So this one also it is a text field. Okay, so you can link with the position. And there's an email address and phone number. All these are required documents, so you can make it as required. Oh, this is and change this one. Phone number. For any fields, then need to fill in. better use the text field. And this is a date or checkbox. You can actually change the placeholder value. Yeah, so customer will be easier to understand. Okay, so you can add a signature field here. I think make it larger. So because this sign person is a different people, should be the director of the company. So it will be a new field. So here we don't link with this name, or we don't link this name with the content because we set the PPTA, which is the authorized person, as the content. So if we want to link with any content, we cannot link with this full name again. So if we want, we can create a document variable. The document variable will be director name. So here actually we also can put the placeholder as director name. Signature. Just put director name. So for the dates, we can put a date field. So for this date field, right, actually we can, firstly we can set a format. Format in Singapore is date, month, year. Okay, and the date we can put as a today's date, so customer won't be able to change the date. This will be the signed date. Okay, for this form, all the fields are required. For some of the forms, right, if the field is not required, you can actually untick this one, and you will notice that the red star is gone, so it means it's not required. Okay, but for this form, it's all required. Okay, so after you have done this template, right, you can simply click this Use Template button, and it will create a contract. Okay, so it will automatically generate a copy for the client to sign. Now you can choose which client to sign. Okay, so you will need to select content list. Select from your content list. Okay, so you can set a person as the signature person. Okay, and you can also add more recipients who is going to review the document, because for this document it only got one people to sign. So if we want to have another people to review it, we can simply add more recipient and okay, I can okay, simply add another one person as the review person. So after the customer is signed, the person who is going to review it, and after review it, then document is complete. Okay, so that's how the workflow works. So now if I save, this document will be saved in the system, but it haven't sent to the customer. So if you want to send to customer, you need to click send document. Either first one is via email, and second one is via link. So for via link, you can just copy the link and send to the relevant people via maybe instant messenger like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. Yeah, so you can generate links. So now the link is created, so you can copy the link and send to your customer. Then that's how this digital doc sign works. Thank you.